So, good day no. So, for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is hand gesture ng neuropsychiatric examination. Okay? So, ito hindi lang aplikante ng Bucor ang makakagamit nito, pati other law enforcement agency pag nag-apply kayo. Katulad sa Tri-Bureau, which is the PNP, Bureau of Fire, and BJMP. Maging sa Coast Guard, AFP, PDEA, and NBI, meron din ito, hand gesture ng neuropsychiatric examination. Okay? So, start na tayo. So, dito, ito yung reminder, no, pagdating sa hand gesture na neuropsychiatric examination, ang pinaka-importante lang talaga dito is avoid using negative description to interpret the hand gesture. Dapat wala kayong negative interpretation dyan, okay? Always use positive words, no, to interpret the hand gesture meaning, okay? So, dito sa hand gesture, no, pumili lang ako ng top 10 o 10 na laging lumalabas at sa tingin ko lalabas pagdating sa neuropsychiatric examination, pagdating sa hand gesture, okay? So, after ko ipakita yung images, okay, no, so magbibigay ako sa inyo ng 5 seconds, no, kayo muna yung sumagot, bago ko ibigay yung tamang sagot, ano, parang self-assessment lang to, okay, no? Proceed tayo sa number 1 image. Sa number 1 image, ang pwede nyong isagot dyan is pointing direction or pressing something, okay? Image number 2, pwede nyong isagot dyan is courage or double time. So, image number 3, taking an oath, stop, or making promise. Image number 4, pwede dyang high five or asking 5 things. So, image number 5, showing fingernails or preparing hand for bless. Image number 6, holding tight or fist bump. Okay? So, image number 7, ask for handshake or offering help. So, number 8, writing something or picking something. Okay? Number 9 tayo. Showing hands and explaining something. So, image number 10, saying peace, need to things, and showing letter B. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, katulad ng sinabi ko, ang lahat ng sagot nyo dapat sa hand gesture, always choose positive feedback or to interpret the hand gesture sa neuropsychiatric examination for you to pass the exam. Okay? So, yun, nabigay ko na sa inyo yung hand gesture na top 10 na usually lumalabas pagdating sa neuropsychiatric examination. Okay, no? So, reminder again, no? Avoid using negative description to interpret the hand gesture. So, ganun lang kasimple siya, no? Laging positive dapat ang isasagot nyo, okay? So, yun lang, no? Salamat sa panonood. Good luck!